a roadway calculation using LightStanza, we'll start by adding a roadway surface using this plane option and draw in the corners in the lighting plan view. And next we'll assign a material to the surface, and so in the material library we have this set of various different roadway surface types. I'll use mostly diffuse. Apply the material, and under calculation grids we'll add a roadway analysis grid from surface. Select the relevant roadway standard, in this case RP8, and then add the points. Now under Luminaires, we can use any photometric file that we have. I'm going to use this Beacon Viper as an example. And then we can use the linear array tool to actually place the fixtures. So I'll do a 15-foot offset, 100-foot full spacing. Now we can draw the array. Start along the curb line. Now with the luminaires placed, I can enable luminaire templates. And so that'll generate these ISO foot candle lines to give a rough idea of the distribution. And then I can do a more detailed analysis under the grid analysis. And so for roadway, enable the roadway option. And then we can start the calculation to get a more detailed perspective of the numerical results. Now with the calculation complete, we can review our metrics and see if the design is meeting the standard or not. And then in addition to the numerical results, you can also produce a 3D rendering. And so for that, I want to draw in a round plane. Contours off. We'll apply a realistic material to the surface, grass. And then to render, we'll want to navigate to a 3D view and get a good perspective along the roadway. And then from here, we can just go to the same calculate drop-down, render animation. I'll use the default options and start. Now with the rendering complete, I have this photorealistic image that shows the lighting distribution from this perspective. And that is my roadway design. Thank you.